like to see, Chloe is scratching. Chloe, one moment, baby. Hold on. Did you just bust up in here? Come on. Come here. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me featuring the new products that I showcased in my haul back in May. Earlier this month. So if you would like to see this get ready with me, how I came up with this look, please keep watching. I already have brows on. I want to put more foundation on. I have just like a light beat on right now because I did film a video before this. So I'm going to be using my favorite foundation for the summertime, and I of course will list all these products down below. So it was requested that I do a get ready with me featuring all of the new products, well, some of the new products that I've gotten that I showed in my haul video in May. I really wanted to use this new ABH Riviera palette because it looks awesome and I am trying to be more into makeup, and this has some really nice summer shades, so I figured this would be perfect. I do like a full coverage, so I tend to do one layer all over and then I put more coverage where I need it, which usually tends to be my cheeks and my chin. I will be doing another foundation routine this summer because my routine has changed a little bit as far as like my everyday summer makeup. I now have a new routine because my skin's been a little problematic lately, and so day to day when I go out and I want to look nice but not overly done, I have a new routine for that. Right now I'm just priming my lids. I have no clue what type of look I want to do with this palette because I've never used this palette before, so I guess we will see once we open it. So the palette that I featured in that haul video and that I'm going to use today is the ABH Riviera palette, which I thought was super cute for the summertime. It has a lot of bright colors. The nautical theme is perfect for summer. The only thing about this is that this packaging, which is like a canvas, is going to get very dirty. This is what the palette looks like. It has a mirror. It also features a dual end brush. I don't care for these brushes. I don't like anything dual end because it's hard to store. So I'm just gonna throw that to the side. He is so loud. I'm so sorry. I have no clue what type of look. We're gonna do a peach look. Okay. The colors that I would normally use as far as transitional purposes, they're not found in here, but there is this color Estate that is right here, and I'm gonna try to use that in my crease. It is like a light peach color. It's definitely not gonna show up too much, but it will be nice for just laying a foundation. Now, the reason why I don't tend to use colors that are within palettes like this is because I'm really, like, the older I get, I'm really into neutral makeup. I like playing up my lips. I don't really like super bright eyes, but it is nice to get out of your comfort zone sometimes, so we're gonna try this palette out. But more often than not, I do like to use neutral shades. I don't know, I'm just more comfortable working with them. I'm going to go into the shade Palm, which is a matte. It's actually like a neutral mid-tone brown, and I'm gonna put that in my crease because I want to do a peachy look and I need a deepened crease. So I like to start with my crease just because I feel like it really does contour my eye very nicely. See guys, that's the reason why I use warm tone browns, because that looks purple. But we're gonna go with it. We're gonna see what happens. This is real life. Like I said, I don't plan these looks out. I do have one look planned that I actually saw Jackie Aina do on her channel. That was the first review of this palette that I saw, and it was just so pretty. I knew I wanted to wear it this summer on vacation, so I will be doing a tutorial of that next month. Next, I'm going to go in with a flat shader brush. I'm gonna take the color Coastline, which is this peachy matte color right there, and I'm gonna put that on my lid. Yeah, I'm gonna have to use a brown from a different palette because I really want to do a brown with this peach, and the color that's currently on my eyes is definitely looking a little purple. So I just pretty much swiped it over my whole lid, and this color is actually super creamy and pigmented and smooth and opaque. This will be so pretty with like a shimmer in the inner corner. I'm gonna try to do more makeup tutorials since I have cut out a lot of the content on my channel, if you guys have noticed. But as I'm trying to get more into makeup, I think I will try to do my makeup tutorials. Okay, so I'm gonna pick up my ABH palette, the Master palette by Mario, which is my favorite. These are all my favorite tones. And I'm gonna use this brown color right there. It is called Violetta. And I'm going to work that in my crease because this other one just looks very purple. And I don't want a purple eye. So I really should have started with the colors from this palette. So that's also another reason why I love neutral palettes, is that you can make one complete look using all the colors from that palette. With the Riviera palette, I feel like I will have to dip into something like my Master palette just because the shades are not the hues that I like. And that color that I just dipped into was Isabel. And it is a warm tone brown. And I'm just using that to put above that brownish purpley color that I ended up using. I don't like how this is turning out. This is why sometimes it is good to plan out your looks. Okay, now I'm gonna go into a shimmery color in the Riviera palette. I'm gonna use Yacht, which is a shimmery gold right there. First, I'm gonna swatch it just to see. Okay, no, I'm not using that. It's like a, well, I could. It's more of a coral peach. I don't know. The shades in this palette are not what I thought they would be. They don't translate on the skin how they look in the palette, with exception of Coastline so far. But I'm just gonna pop this in my inner corner. See how it looks like, it's like a coral shimmer. But if you look in the pan, it definitely looks like a gold. We're gonna go on to the rest of the face. I'm going to put this palette away because I don't wanna get it dirty. And I'm gonna use my concealer. This is the Too Faced. Sorry, I'm just trying to blend everything out. This is the Too Faced High Coverage Concealer, my favorite. I'm just gonna put this under my eyes. Not gonna use too much because I don't want to be too highlighted. And I'm just gonna blend this out. Now I'm going to set my face, and I was thinking about getting a different setting powder because this is running out. I look so weird right now. And I was thinking about getting the Hourglass one until I realized you're getting half the amount that you get with this. So I think I'm just gonna stick with my Laura Mercier. There's nothing wrong with this powder. I do sometimes like trying other brands though. But yeah, I'm not gonna pay $50 for half an ounce of product, especially something that I will use a lot of in the summer, because I feel like I wear more makeup in the summer because I'm going out more. Fenty Beauty bronzer, which if you have not seen my product review for this, I will link that down below. And you can see how I feel about this bronzer. I'm using it today just because I want to focus on newer products in my collection. But I will let you go to that video to see my thoughts on it. And I'm also going to be doing a video next, I believe, all about bronzer, because when I did feature this product in a review on my channel, a handful of you guys told me that you love bronzer, but either you don't use it because maybe you just don't have time, or you need a little help as far as application goes, maybe picking the right shade. So I will be doing a video about bronzer. I think bronzer is essential. Even if you're not going to wear a full face of makeup like this, I think it's just really nice to give your face dimension, but we'll go all into that during that video. But I believe that's the video that is going to be coming up next. But you guys know I'm a bronzer whore. I love bronzer. I do like this bronzer. Okay, now like I said, we're gonna get into blush. I wanted to use a peach blush, but for the life of me, I cannot find my NARS Gina, which is a really pretty peachy color. So I'm just gonna use a brown blush. This is MAC's Sweet as Cocoa, which I like for if I just want to keep my cheeks very neutral and play up my eyes or my lips. But let's go into lashes. Now, you guys know in that video I brought to you guys my cousin's lash line, which I am obsessed with. These are the lashes that I have been wearing recently on my channel. They are by J.ava Lashes in the style Finesse. I am obsessed with these. A lot of you guys have been saying you love this new look I'm doing, and honestly, honey, it's just been all about lashes. I've been playing up my lashes more and doing more makeup just because it's summer to me now in Atlanta, and there are lots of parties, weddings, anniversaries, nights out on the town, and I'm just really enjoying wearing makeup right now. You guys know I go through phases, but these Finesse lashes are everything. They're natural in style, but they're dramatic in length and curl, which I really like and appreciate. So shout out to my cousin if you guys would like to purchase these. I don't believe the website is up as of now, but you can check her out on Instagram at j.ava lashes, and I'm sure you'll be able to purchase them through her. But I just love these lashes. I'm hooked. You guys know I used to do my Ardell's. Someone in my most recent video told me, put down your Ardell's because these lashes are everything, and I will be taking your advice because I agree. These lashes are called Bumble, and these are called the J.ava Signature. I think I'm gonna wear Bumble today. You know, let's just go for it. Let's go all out. So, you're everything to me. Okay guys, so I have applied my lashes. Now, one thing that I've noticed is that these lashes from J.ava Lashes are a bit longer in terms of band length than I'm used to. So next time I apply them, I'm going to cut the inner corners because when I blink, I can feel them like brushing this part of my nose. So I will be doing that. But let's finish off the eyes. I'm going to use, I wanted to use this YSL mascara that I featured in that haul, or maybe I did, but I got this from Influenster a few months ago, maybe back at the end of April, and I do not like this. You guys know I am always honest no matter what. This is called The Curler from YSL, and I do not like it. Here's what the brush looks like, or the wand. It's a full plastic brush and it's curved, and it just doesn't work well for my lashes. I have very short straight lashes, so in theory this would be nice, but this just doesn't give me the volume and length that I like. So I will use this for like putting mascara on my real lashes to help blend them to falsies, but as far as putting it on my bottom lashes, it does nothing for me. You guys know my holy grail is my Lancôme Monsieur Big. This is everything. I love it. The wand is so big, it gives me volume, length, everything. My favorite mascaras are by Lancôme, and is that it? yeah, that's pretty much it. Ooh, so I've applied my mascara. I want to do my highlighter. I'm going to use my Becca Opal, which is an OG favorite. I am looking for a new highlighting brush. So if you have a favorite, could you please let me know down below, because I'm kind of over using the fan brush. I've used a fan brush since I started using highlighter, and I think I'm just over that application method. As far as lips, I'm going to use Pat McGrath Omi, which kind of reminds me of NARS Anita. Miss Pat's lipsticks are $38, girl, and $30 is about my limit as far as lipsticks go. So I always try to buy some when they are on sale, or when there's like, you know, a Sephora gift card that I have or anything like that, or when it's a gift. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. It's like a dramatic neutral. It's a peachy color. I didn't want to go too intense because the next tutorial that I do use in this palette is going to be very intense, but I do like it. It's right up my alley in terms of being neutral but dramatic. So don't worry guys, next time I use this palette I will do something more colorful and dramatic for the summertime. But I didn't really have an idea of what colors I wanted to use, and I feel like when you use such bright colors you really have to know what you're gonna pair, or else you might look like a fool. Like even this isn't how I wanted it to turn out, but it works. So I hope you guys like this. Get ready with me. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.